This is Alyssa from All Things Automotive. Today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. We're going to go ahead and start up front here. As you can see, you have your normal chrome-based Ram on the front here, along with your honeycomb badging. You have your 17x7 aluminum wheels on basically brand new Firestone tires. You do have your Ram 1500 badging. It is a HEMI 5.7 liter. You have your chrome door handles. Same thing back here, matching pretty much brand new tires. You have your 4x4 badging, as well as your Ram and your SLT badging. As you can tell, you do have your hitch and you have your trailer hookup here. This does not appear to have a backup camera. Matching tires over here, basically brand new. And we'll check these ones. Yep, just about the same. Basically brand new tires all the way around. We'll take a look back here at the bed first. Pull this tailgate down. Bed looks really good. Liners, there's no scratches on the liner. Looks really good across the back. And then we'll take a look up here in the driver's seat. On the inside of the door, you have your dark inside here. You do have your window controls, your mirror controls, lock and unlock. You have some extra storage down here as well as an extra cup holder. On the inside, you do have your gray cloth seating. We'll go ahead in here and take a look. We have our typical Ram key with just the lock and unlock. We'll go ahead and start it and take a look at the miles. $58,267 miles. Over here you have your light options. On this side you have your windshield wiper fluid and your windshield wipers, and then all of your you have your headlight controls here as well, and your turn signals. You have your menu options, and you have your Bluetooth over here. Here you have your cruise control. Go ahead and shut this off. Over here you have your radio and media controls as well as your Bluetooth options. This just has a compass, there's no navigation. You have your settings. You have your outside temp and your clock. You have your heating and cooling controls here, as well as your tow haul options. Down here you have your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive low, and here is where you shift on that dial. On the center you have a USB cord or USB port and an auxiliary port as well as a battery. Go ahead and shut this. And take a look at our back seat. Again, you have that gray cloth seating in the back. On the door you have your window control, and we'll take a look on the outside for any blemishes, dents, or anything that we feel that we should tell you. Go ahead and start back up here in the front. The most common place to find any blemishes is here in the front. You can get some stone chips here in the front. So there's a few down there on the paint, a few up here on the hood, very small. There's one, a few right there on the right side fender. There's another one right there below the light. A small scratch or two there on the right side mirror. Looks like another stone chipping here on the right side rear door. Looks like there is a little bit of a scuff back here on the right side bumper. A small little dent back here on the tailgate. Looks like there's another stone chipping right there. A few small scratches right there, and another scratch right here on the left side rear door. overall, looks like a really great truck. If you have any questions or you'd like to view this vehicle, give us a call here at our McConnellsburg dealership at 717-485-4224. Visit our website for more information and financing options at www.allthingsautomotive.com, or you can come into our dealership. Again, we're in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, 21518 Great Cove Road. Thanks for watching.